Hello students, I Prabha Bhati, your GK teacher, welcome you in your GK class. I hope you all are fine and healthy while staying at home. So keeping your studies on the track, let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 53, grocery bills. So in this chapter, we will study about the grocery bill, okay? So few questions were there, we need to find out the answers with the help of this bill, okay? Now, there are few items given to you: butter, potato, oats, pulses and rice. We have to find few quantities, few rate and the total amount here. Okay, so let's complete the table. What is the quantity of butter bought? So let's see what is the quantity of butter bought. The rate per kg is given is 300 rupees and the total is 450. So now what we will do, we will divide 450 by 300 and the answer which we'll be getting is 1.5 kg. Okay, now similarly we will write here 1.5, right? Now the next question, what is the cost of 5 kg potato? It is 5, quantity is 5 kg, rate is 14 rupees per kg. Okay, now we have to find the total cost of 5 kg. That means we have to multiply 5 into 14. That means 5 into 14, then we will get 70 as answer in rupees. Okay, so we will write 70 here. Now next, what is the cost of 1 kg oats? Then 120 is the quantity, that means 120 kg. We have to find out only the price of 1 kg and the total amount which is given to us is 3000. So here we will divide 3000 by 120. Then we will be getting 25. Okay, so here is 25. That is the cost of 1 kg oats, 25 rupees. Now next, what is the quantity of pulses bought? The quantity of pulses we have to find out. Rate per kg is given to us and the total amount which is given to us. Now what we have to do? We have to divide again. That is 1700 divided by 10. We will be getting 170. That means 170 kg pulses we have bought. The last question. What is the total cost of rice bought? Total cost of rice. Quantity is given, rate is given. We have to find out the total. That is, we have to multiply 4.5 into 50. So the answer will be 225 rupees. Okay, so here 225 rupees. They all are given in rupees as you can see here. So we have to find out the total amount. So we will add these numbers in this table. So when adding 450 plus 70 plus 3000 plus 1700 plus 225, we will get 5445 rupees as our total bill. Okay, right? So I hope you understood the chapter well. Stay well and stay healthy. Thank you so much.